Winter weather is here to stay. Tonight we have team coverage on the dangers of lake effect snow and freezing temperatures. Plus, Veterans Day gave us an opportunity to thank service members across the state. We'll show you some local celebrations of our Northwoods heroes. And we talk with NASA scientists about a rare planetary alignment. We explain what's happening and how you can see it. Your local news starts right now.
Your local news and weather from where you live. Newswatch 12 at 5 starts now.
Good evening. Thanks for joining us. The morning frost gets thicker every day. The snowdrifts staying longer and the days getting shorter. Winter weather is here and getting even more intense. We have team coverage tonight on Newswatch 12 with reporters tracking conditions across the area. And we'll start with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Weller in studio. Jeff, what can you tell us about the weather across the Northwoods right now?
All right, Stephen, the cold temperatures are here to stay, and we're watching two weather headlines tonight. First up is the snow, followed by some very cold temperatures tonight, all of which is courtesy of a strong northwest breeze off there right now. The northwest breeze picks up moisture over Lake Superior and drops it across parts of Wisconsin. Now, this is very hit or miss in terms of snowfall tonight. The most areas hardest hit should be Iron and Vilas County this evening, with some potentially very significant snowfall. Already parts out of Iron County receiving 6 to 10 inches of snow, and that's working its way into also parts of Vilas County, with near whiteout conditions reported near Watersmeet earlier, also near parts of Iron County. So if you're traveling north into Vilas County tonight into the UP, expect pockets of heavy snowfall. And again, this is lake effect snow. By its very nature, it's very scattered. So in 1 mile you could see 0 visibility. The next mile could have 5-mile visibility. So get ready for that this evening. Here is where we see the biggest snowfall potential tonight. So widespread 1 to 3 inch snowfall across far northern Wisconsin, followed by some pockets of heavier snow, generally 5 to 10 inches across parts of Vilas County, back into Iron County, northwards into the Gogebic Range, up toward Lake Superior, as it will snow very heavily there tonight. The other story is going to be the very cold temperatures. We set some records today in terms of record low high temperatures today, with temperatures near 17 for a high. We're going down to about 0 tonight for a low, and here is your forecast for tonight. We're talking snow showers out there now, limited around the area, heaviest in Vilas County, with low temperatures down near 0. Your full forecast is coming up, Stephen.
Well, Jeff, thank you. And now we have Devin Biggs in Manitowish Waters covering some of that lake effect snowfall Jeff was just talking about. And Devin, it looks a little cold out there. Tell us more about it.
Yes, it's very cold right now, Stephen. Right now it's about 14 degrees. I just took a little measurement out here. And as I traveled up here today, this lake effect snow definitely behaved like it. You had some sunshine at times, and you also had some snow that just hit like pretty much out of nowhere. It's cloudy, there was sunny, there was snowing from time to time also. I brought my snow stick with here from the Weather Center, and right now we have about 2 inches of snow on the ground. And we've lucked out so far. Not much snow has fallen yet across the region, but that could be changing. I also brought my little anemometer out here to kind of measure a little bit of the wind. And right now we have about 1 to 2 mile per hour winds kind of being seen here across the region right now. So not much being seen on the ground. I'm seeing a few flakes flying around right now, but more lake effect snow will be possible. Stay warm out there tonight. It is very chilly out there. We'll definitely keep you posted. Live in Manitowish Waters, Devin Biggs, Newswatch 12.
Devin, thank you. And now 50 miles southeast, the scene is a little bit different. Newswatch 12's Dan Hagan joined us live in Oneida County, where temperatures should or could drop near record lows tonight. Dan?
Hi, Stephen. Yeah, so not much snow here in Rhinelander right now, but cold temperatures, well, they are a concern. We're sitting at about 13 degrees right now. We're going to approach 0 degrees later this evening. And with more cold temperatures on the way, it's important to stay safe by preparing your car for winter emergencies. That the battery and radiator fluid is in good condition. Oneida County Sheriff's Captain Tyler Young said it's important to prepare your car for emergency situations. He encourages people to stow away blankets, extra clothing, and even a candle.
Burning a candle in your car can bring the temperature up a great deal. Just remember to have a crack in the window because cars are so much more airtight than they used to be that you need to have that airflow as well.
Young also encourages people to make sure their cell phone is charged. Also, don't be afraid to call 911 if your car breaks down in weather like this too. And also a good tip, just stay home if you can in cold temperatures like these. For now, in Rhinelander, Dan Hagan, Newswatch 12. Back to you, Stephen.
Dan, thank you. It is a great night to stay home, but we will have more weather with Jeff later on in the show to tell you more about those conditions out there.